Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying a perspective grid so everything reads as a classroom. This is why a vanishing point matters. It organizes size and depth. Start with a light pencil and mark the horizon, then place the teacher desk and blackboard near that point. Once done, block in rows of student desks as simple rectangles, leaving aisles about 3 feet. You want a clear flow. These first steps speed the rest of the drawing and keep proportions believable. Now refine the furniture so the space feels lived in. You'll add chair backs, desk legs, and tabletop edges using slightly darker lines to separate planes. This is why line weight matters. It shows depth. Once those shapes are clear, place the blackboard, storage shelves, and a few posters, making sure to indicate where light comes from. That light direction determines cast shadows and window reflections, so establish it early to keep shading consistent across the room. To finish, render textures and final details so the classroom reads naturally. You'll shade under desks and along wall edges to ground objects and add grain to wooden surfaces for realism. Place small items like books and a wall clock to convey scale, and use floor tiles or linoleum patterns to reinforce perspective. If proportions look off, recheck the vanishing point alignment and erase stray construction lines. Correcting the perspective fixes most composition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.